everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So in our previous sessions, we have seen what is the advantages and disadvantages of Power BI and brief introduction of Power BI and why we should learn Power BI. In this session, we are going to learn some more details like what is Power BI and what are the main components of Power BI and all. So let us see what is Power BI. Power BI is a cloud-based data analysis which can be used for reporting and data analysis from a wide range of data sources. Power BI is simple and user-friendly also. So we can use just by clicking, dragging and dropping like that. So it is very simple. Coming to the main components of Power BI, there are 6 main components of Power BI, that is Power Query, Power Pivot, Power Map, Power View, Power BI Desktop, Power Q&A. These are the remaining components like Power BI website and Power BI mobile apps. So let us see that. This Power Query is a data mashup and transformation tool. Power Pivot is in-memory tabular data modeling tool. Power View is data visualization tool. Power Map is 3D geospatial data visualization tool. Power Q&A is natural language question and answering engine. Power BI Desktop is a powerful companion development tool for Power BI because this is a combination of all the 3, Power Query, Power View and Power Pivot. And coming to the other parts of Power BI website, it is a powerful and which is Power BI and data analysis can be shared through this website and hosted as cloud service. Whereas Power BI mobile apps, it is supported in Android, Apple and Windows phones. So let us see. Power BI built easy graphical user interface to follow so business users could use a Power Query or Power BI Desktop to mash up the data without writing even a single line of code. It is on the other hand so powerful with Power Query formula language YAM and data analysis expressions DAX. So it is written in M. So coming to the versions, in which version this is available and all, let us see. Power Query has an add-in for Excel 2010 and Excel 2013 and it is embedded in Excel 2016. The add-in for Power Query is available for free. Power Pivot has been as an add-in for Excel 2010 from Excel 2013. Whereas Power Pivot is embedded in Excel, this add-in is again free for use. Power View is an add-in for Excel 2013 and it is free for use. Next, Power Map is an add-in for Excel 2013. It is embedded in Excel 2016 as 3D maps. Power Q&A does not require any installation because this is like asking the questions and giving the answers. So it does not require any installations. So this is what the different components. Whereas Power BI, we know that it is a combined editor of Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. So this is how all the components will work here. So coming to each and every component, let us see in detail. So first is Power Query. Power Query. So how this Power Query will work? It is a data transformation and mashes up the engine. We can extract the data from 99 plus data sources. See, these 99 plus data sources is not a simple matter. Like it will allow Excel, CSV files and database files, all the files, almost 99 plus data sources it will allow. Then it gives a GUI to transform data as you need, adding columns, changing types, adding the charts, whatever you need like date and time, text, etc. All the operations it can be done. It can load the result set into Excel or Power Pivot model. It is also uses a powerful formula language, a code called just now we have discussed about that. So this is how it is useful with Power Query. Coming to again, Power Query is also like it is built in with GUI. Let us see this. So this is a first example of Power Query. See here, we will upload the data. We will get the data from the database or from Excel file or any file, and you will transform the data. You will load the data and you will transform the data. It is visible like this in the Power Query editor. So you will have all the tables here. So next, coming to the Power Pivot. Power Pivot. So this Power Pivot is a data modeling engine which works on X velocity. In-memory database tabular engine. So this in-memory gives Power Pivot super fast response time. It is very fast. It uses DAX, data analysis expression language for building measures and calculated languages. So Power Pivot we know that it is the most powerful language. It will use like YAM data and it always use YAM DAX and all this. Next, coming to the Power Pivot, it also uses DAX for building measures and calculated columns. Okay. Next, we will see how Power Pivot will look. So Power Pivot will look like this. It will create the relationships like this, like for the main table and for queries and all. It will create the relationships like this. Next, coming to the Power View. Power View is a main data visualization component because from this Power View only we will get all the visualizations like charts and all. Different types of charts. We will have different types of charts. We will see one by one. It is an interactive data visualization that can connect data sources and fetch the metadata to be used for data analysis. It has also many charts for visualization in its list. Different types of charts we have. And these reports are also interactive reports. And here we use the slicing and dicing also. Power View reports are also interactive and it is used as an highlighted part of the data and different elements in the Power View. Like if you want to analyze the data, it is easily analyzed. If you want to explain to someone, we can explain with this Power View easily with the analysis and all. So this is how the Power View will look. All the components you can write like this, all the data. So here it is of 4. This is a dashboard. So it is a simple movie dashboard. It is of international, domestic, how they will look like this. So like this we can have. Next, coming to the Power Map. So this Power Map, it is used for visualizing geospatial information in 3D model, in 3D mode. We can visualize a measure as the height of a column in a 3D and other measure as heat map view. So what is this heat map view is? It is a technique which shows the magnitude of a phenomenon as colors in 2 dimensions. So it can be, if it is in 2-dimensional view, like where we are showing the colors in the different views, it is easy to compare. Power Map works with Bing maps. So it will work with a Bing map. We can also highlight data based on the geographical locations such as country, city, state and street address. Whatever you want, you can map it is. So this is how the Power Map will work and this is how it looks. With the different countries, whatever you want to see here with the different cities, you can see like this. Next one is Power BI Desktop. See, this is the most powerful desktop. It is the newest component in Power BI suite. It is a combination of 3 like Power View, Power Query and Power Pivot. And with this, you will have everything under the same solution, and it is easier to develop BI and data analysis experience with that. Power BI desktop is also updated frequently and regularly. So we will learn more about this in our future sessions. Next, coming to the Power BI website. Power BI website, how the Power BI website works is, so we know that after doing all of our work, we will just publish with the help of Power BI website so that the receiver can receive that website. Power BI solution can be published to Power BI website. Dashboards can be created for the reports and it can be shared with others. So in Power BI desktop, the data source can be scheduled to refresh also. Dashboards can be created for the reports and it can be shared with others also. So this website even gives you the ability to slice and dice the data online without requiring any other tools. It is just a simple web browser. So this is Power BI website. That means we will just transfer our data with the help of Power BI website. Next, Power View Array. We know that it is a natural language engine for questions and answers to your data model. Once you have built your data model and deployed that into Power BI website, then it's okay. Then your users can ask questions and get answers easily. So it will be helpful for questioning and answering. So next one is Power BI mobile apps. So we know that Power BI mobile apps will be supported with Android, Apple and Windows phones. So these are the three main OS providers. Then you can share them even from the mobile app also. We can share the dashboards and reports which is of interactive view. We can share them with the help of mobile apps also. You can highlight part of the report, write a note on it and share it with others with the help of these mobile apps. So this is how it will look. We can share this. These are the reports. We can share these reports. Next one is Power BI pricing. So this Power BI pricing is having many components of Power BI which can be used individually for free. You can also download and install Power BI desktop, Power BI query add-in, Power Pivot add-in, Power View add-in and Power Map add-in all for free. So some features may be available in paid versions also, but we can use the free versions also, which is having add-ins, and in the later versions, in the newer versions, we are getting free also. So this is how all the 6 components will work. All the 8 components will work with Power BI. So let us see practical sessions in our in our next sessions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for this. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.